Hello and welcome to my video. In this video we going to learn how to clean C drive in Windows 10. Let's start. Step first, empty the recycle bin. When you delete items, like files and photos, from your PC, they don't immediately get deleted. Instead, they go into recycle bin and continue to take up hard drive space. To empty the recycle bin, go to your desktop, right-click on the recycle bin and click Empty Recycle Bin. A warning pop-up will appear to confirm permanently delete items from your recycle bin. Click Yes to proceed. Second step, Disk Cleanup. Windows has a built-in disk cleanup utility named Disk Cleanup, which can help you clear up space by removing various files including temporary internet files, system error memory dump files, and even old Windows installations that may still be hanging around. You can find Disk Cleanup by right-click on C drive and click on Properties. Under the General tab, click on Disk Cleanup. Disk Cleanup will calculate how much space you will be able to free. Once the Disk Cleanup load, you can select which items you want to delete. I will select all files and press OK button. A warning pop-up will appear to confirm permanently delete items. Click Yes to proceed. Deletion process takes time. You can delete temporary files without running Disk Cleanup, along with files you downloaded that you may no longer need. For this, go to Start menu button and then search Settings. Once you get the settings in the search result, click to open. Click on System and then Storage. It will calculate how much storage is used. Under the local disk, click on Temporary Files. Select and delete files according to your need. Click on Remove Files button. You can also delete temporary files manually. Go to Start menu button and then search Run. Type temp and click OK. If it will ask permission, click on Continue. This will open a folder where Windows maintain temporary files. Select all files and press Shift+Delete. Some files might not deletable, simply skip them. Again, go to Run, and this time type %temp%. This will open a folder. Select all files and press Shift+Delete button. Some files might not deletable, simply skip them. Go to Run last time and type prefetch. If it will ask permission, click on Continue. This will open a folder. Select all files and press Shift+Delete. Some files might not deletable, simply skip them. To delete downloaded files, go to this PC and then Download. Right-click and set View as Details. Sort by type ascending. Group by type ascending. Press Shift plus Delete to delete downloaded files which you no longer need. You probably have some apps and programs on your PC that you don't use. Go to Start menu button and then search Settings. Once you get the settings in the search result, click to open. Click on Apps and then Apps and Features. And choose Sort by Size. To uninstall an app from this menu, click the app and then click Uninstall. You can turn on Storage Sense, so Windows automatically deletes unused temporary files, as well as files that have been in the recycle bin and downloads folder for more than a day or up to 60 days. Go to Start menu button and then search Settings. Once you get the settings in the search result, click to open. Click on System and then Storage. Toggle the slider to turn on Storage Sense. Click on Configure Storage Sense and set settings according to your preferences. Optimizing your drives can help your PC run smoother and boot up faster. You can find Optimize by right-click on C drive and click on Properties. Under the Tool tab, click on Disk Optimize. Select C drive and click on Optimize. Optimizing will complete in a couple of minutes. That's all for now. Keep watching our videos for more tips and tricks. Please subscribe and like our video.